Room service. Squad!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're in a different
location.
Yes.
Yeah. But stay tuned for this video. Well, the title already gave it away, right?
Well, kind of.
Yeah. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below.
And make sure you share this video.
Yes. So let's get right into the video.
Yes. So right now, this is our room tour. We literally just arrived there.
Yes.
Like it's 2 minutes now. This is like a staycation.
Yeah. Sort of.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
basically we're at the Creole village.
Yeah,
that's what they call it.
Village. I like the room. Yes, it's not luxury like luxury. It's like a simple, but it's still nice. So when you come in, there's an evacuation in case of fire. Okay. So, but we know where to run away. There's also a window we can jump out of. There's a nice clean mirror. Ooh, big power, honey.
Yeah, you can see that power. Strong power. Check to see if we get money inside there.
I wish.
Then you just have the overall features.
Okay, so
when smoking
150 US,
Miss.
It's called calabash.
Okay, calabash is
Creole
for calabash. If you know what a calabash is, we'll insert a picture and you can also look for it on Google.
It's like the national
of Saint Lucia. Yeah.
Yes, so no smoking in here. We have a nice little chair. They come with all these things very.
Yeah, but with
we have a nice little soft chair. Very soft. We're not going to even use that dresser.
Yeah, because it doesn't make sense.
I'm not packing all my stuff. It's not like I'm here for like.
We have
only here for a night.
Yeah, we have we have that's it's I think that's 40-inch. Yeah, 40-inch flat screen television.
And it's not even smart.
Yeah, no YouTube. Yeah.
Oh my god, I have to use my phone. Oh, let me make sure. Let me kind of do what if I'm right.
No, we shouldn't have room tour. We'll put your phone down.
We have 2 beds. One here.
Yeah. I don't know why when they gave us 2 beds, we only need 2 beds.
Yeah. We have another dresser. I don't know why they give so many dressers.
Maybe just to make the room full.
The favorite thing I like is that this is a handmade kind of situation.
It's a lamp, a bedstand lamp, right? That's what you call it?
It's a
night lamp?
Like a night lamp.
Yeah.
Is that your diary?
I don't know why, but at every hotel for some reason, they always have like a Bible in a drawer. For serious, I don't know like why they have it like that, or why they feel that they should.
The phone to call reception. Oh, the fridge! How can I forget the fridge and the coffee? Y'all, we have coffee mates. Expensive stuff.
And he doesn't drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee, but the one does sometimes.
Only when I have to stay up to edit the videos. Yes, which is completely empty.
2 bottles of water. Let me put my most empty bottle there.
I don't believe you that. We shouldn't the roof tour. Okay?
Yes, what you know?
Our air conditioner right there.
Oh yes, we have AC and
a fan. Yeah.
God, so I'm gonna be very cozy tonight. Now let's head to this part. Oh, this is to get ice. I like to see that so much, so cute. The basket kind of thing. What do you guys use that for? I always see that.
I guess that's to put your bags and stuff on.
Is it?
I don't
We should
know.
put our bags here for sure.
Yeah, we put our bags here.
We should put our bags. No space for it to pass. Can you see?
No, I don't need to come there.
Oh my god. Okay. We have a safe here to put our valuable diamonds and bracelets because I have plenty of those. We have an iron here.
Hey, we should take that iron bring another woman.
Oh my god.
Then what you watching there?
Oh, that's a price list for doing
Laundry. Okay.
So yeah, we have an ironing board, hangers to hang our clothes. We're not going to use that. We might not even use the safe. I don't think so.
No, I don't think anybody going to come inside and steal stuff, right?
I don't think so.
I hope not.
Now let's get
This is the best part. The best part of this room. I think this is the best part.
the bathroom, you think?
Yeah. You don't think so?
It's okay. Now we enter the, what should we call it?
Boom boom room. Oh, what's a boom boom then? The 75 squad wants to know what's boom boom. Tell him.
I don't know. Guys, we have hot water. We have hot water and cold water. So this is a hot side. This is a cold side. We have a little soap. Hand soap. So much. Paya. Facial bath. I'm not sure what that is for because I know what to drink water out of the sink, so I don't know. Oh yeah, that's nice.
It made a nice decoration following the towels right here.
That's our toilet.
Yeah, this is where we take our royal pool.
Your royal pool. And it's not even clean. I'm being honest. Okay, yeah, so that's how much looks our shower here.
Hey, the shower looks.
Oh, it doesn't even, it just is.
No, it's just like that. See, the shower looks.
Guess what, guys? They're smart these days because they don't want people to go home with stuff.
Yeah, liquid soap.
They put it there to pump. If you think you're going up with shampoo, if you think you're going up with shampoo and soap, you like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The shower.
Rainhead shower.
The shower is my favorite part of this room, like I said. And
Why is it the shampoo? Why?
I don't know, like it just like stands out from the room. It's like the room is not for the shower is not for this particular room. You think so?
Yes.
Like
Just
the
a
whole bathroom, it just looks like.
I don't know how the bathroom in the other rooms look like. Yeah, so this is our bathroom, toilet paper, extra toilet paper. Oh, we have a hair dryer here.
You're going to use hair dryer?
Yeah. Well, I'm actually before I enter my.
What's that, like extractor?
You know, I don't know what I did.
I think it's an extractor. Okay.
Yeah, so we have a sunbeam.
Yeah. A lot of exciting stuff going to happen in the shower here, so.
You don't need to. Don't want to be yeah, so that's our bathroom tour. I thought there'd be more in the bathroom, but they just gave us soap. Usually you have the little things that, you know, they put in a pump so that they won't have to keep buying and stuff like that. I don't know what that is for, honestly. If you know what that is for, let me know. But I really don't. Not even giving it, just turning around.
Yeah, I think it's to suck hot air out.
You think?
Yeah, or suck. I don't know. So I think that's what it's for. I'm not sure.
Yeah. But this part is like, we call it like the oldest part of the building.
I mean, oldest.
Creole, I mean, it was here first before they made the
The other parts.
other parts.
I didn't know that.
Yes, that's what I read. So
This is a ceiling decor. It's really nice. It's like
a rough kind of.
yeah, it's like
rough stone.
the concrete leaking out of the ceiling. And that's what it looks
That's
like.
not looking. It looks like it's just a mix.
No, I'm saying
Like
that.
when you do pancakes and you don't mix.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. It looks like it was
Properly have
leaking. It was
lumps.
leaking out of the ceiling.
No, just like have lumps. Yeah, so that's our bathroom. Show you the bed. The bed is film.
Whoa, wait a minute. I don't know. I don't know.
I guess just a little decoration. I understand. So they have 2 pink plugs. What? We have a little bead here. So everything is kind of like a Creole. You know what I thought when I said Creole? I thought like they have like mattress all over. Shower. So it's Creole inspired. That's our bin.
Not that we're going to put anything in that bin, but okay.
Yeah. So that's it for this room tour. That's what we see when we come.
Yeah, we're directly in the heart of Rodney Bay.
Bay village. They call it a village, I don't know. Yeah. So we're about to make some coffee and drink some coffee, living the luxurious life.
Then you guys drink coffee, so stop that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is the end of our room tour here at Cool Resorts. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Quantum Files, the latest, the best, and the greatest out here in this game.
Yeah, definitely.
And if you want to see more, just make sure you
subscribe and hit the bell so as to be notified every time we post a new video.
And also, we did 2 videos at 2 other hotels before. We went to 2 hotels before. Alright? It's ROYALTON and Golden Bay. Yes, Golden Bay. So,
if you haven't seen those, you can
make sure you go check it out. Link in the description. All the good stuff. And also, somebody asked us to, like, if we can tour like hotels around Saint Lucia. And we were like, oh, that's a good idea. We should try that out. So let us know if you like this idea. We're going to try, attempt to try to do all of the hotels here in Saint Lucia.
If whichever one you want us to do, comment down below those you really want us to do.
Okay. The one that I want to do the most
is what?
Jin Mountain.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it just looks so luxurious and the pool and all
looks
that.
nice. But
so comment down below what hotel you think we should go to next, and we'll do it.
Yeah.
Right? And you already know.
Oh my god, this place is quiet. So everybody has to.
We'll see you guys
in the next video.
In the next one.
Peace in the Middle East.
And we're out.